Hey, we're back again with a 2013 International Prostar automatic. Again, it's a 2013 International Prostar automatic transmission, double bunk sleeper. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share and like. That would be much appreciated. As always, with every vehicle that we get, they're all fleet purchased, fleet maintained vehicles. A third-party shop here in Indianapolis, Indiana goes through each and every single vehicle very thoroughly, makes any and all necessary repairs, and each truck also comes with a fresh DOT inspection. So we're definitely making sure we do everything on the front end to ensure that this truck is road ready for you. We've got aluminum steers and aluminum drives. This truck does have an APU. Feel free to check us out online. We manage our website daily with our accurate inventory. You see the website address there on the mud flaps, exceleratetrucks.com. There's also a link in the description. Again, that site is managed daily with our accurate inventory. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Get the mileage. Again, 460,353 miles. Sorry about the focus there, guys. Automatic transmission. Go ahead and step outside and roll the hood. Alright, again, this is a 2013 International Prostar automatic transmission, double bunk sleeper. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and share. Check us out online at exceleratetrucks.com. Again, there's a link in the description. Hope we can help you get into a truck of your own here before too long. Thanks for watching, everyone.